Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Alik Azhara, NPM 234111090. I am from class management 2038. Okay, here I will about conducting marketing research. What is market research? Market research is the activity of collecting data related to target marketing or consumer. This activity can be carried out directly by companies or institutions that have expertise in conducting research. The process usually consists of distribution, survey, interacting with a group of people as a simple and interview. The purpose of marketing research. The main purpose of conducting market research is to find out the market related to a particular product or service, as well as knowing consumer reaction. Data obtained from market research will be compiled and adapted to marketing activities, as well as to determine consumer priorities and service requirement, if any. That's why companies can minimize the risk of failure and be more confident in decision marketing. Market research method. Market research method can be divided into two, namely primary market research and secondary market research. 1. Primary market research. Primary market research is market research carried out by company itself or by employing a third party who directly carries out research under the company. This primary research play an important role in providing direct data from consumers who use the product being surveyed. The data collected can be qualitative data or non-numerical, and qualitative data or numerical and statistical. Usually, this data is obtained through telephone or face-to-face interview, survey, questionnaires, set visit, and group discussion. 2. Secondary market research. Secondary market research is carried out using information sourced from outside the company. For example, study conducted by government agency, trade association, international and national organization, and other companies in the same industry. Apart from that, you can also get it from newspaper, magazine, or books. This research is usually done by reading articles, trend research, and market statistics. Market research function. 1. Evaluating. For the first function, market research play the role of evaluation market programs that have been carried out previously. This evaluation includes when the company want to review that brand positioning of competitor product. 2. Understanding. This research function focus on the aim of understanding consumer as an insight or input for the company. In carrying out this function, market research will also usually describe consumer habits and behavior, as well as consumer expectation and complaint about a product. 3. Predicting. Predicting is the most complicated function compared to other function. This function acts as a reference for companies that want to open a new brand or product to be able to precisely target new market target. 4. Controlling. The controlling function is used to view every going business process. This research function is used to view ongoing market activity data. Example of market research. Many companies use market research to test new product or get information for consumer about what type of product or service they need and don't currently have. For example, a company considering starting a business may conduct market research to test the viability of its product or service. If market research confirms consumer interest, the business can proceed with its business plan with confidence. If not, the company can use the result of market research to make adjustment to the product to suit consumer desires. That's enough explanation from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.